evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual EuropaProperty SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. But Project Management Firm of the Year, very exciting category. There was a lot of discussion on project management and who was going to win this one. And Gata, if you will read out the short list.
With pleasure. On the short list we have Blue Projects, Brisk Group, CBRE, Service Management Services, Optim Project Management, REC Impulse, Sentient, Vitalis Consulting.
Okay, great. And I guess we'll just go straight to see who's going to win this category. Very exciting. A lot of discussion last night. Project Management Firm of the Year. And we have the winner of Sentient.
Yes.
All right.
Bravo.
And searching the world. Congratulations, Sentient. And
We should have Victor Portolo from Sentient. Victor.
Victor, welcome.
Well, what a surprise. This was totally unexpected. So thank you to the jury. Thank you to our guys and girls. They did a lot of hard work. And we will still do a lot of hard work to go through this kind of recent bit of difficulties. But I'm sure by next year, this time will all be okay. So thank you to the jury and thank you to all the attendees.
Well,
Oh.
congratulations again, Sentient, and Victor, thank you for joining us, and enjoy the rest of the show, and I hope you're watching it on your big screen TV at home. So talk to you soon. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Cheers.
okay. Bye.